on investment and then you have not done mutual fund, I don't know what you're waiting for. Seriously, you see, mutual fund is one investment that you can just do and then you just forget about it. Why? Hi, Favor. Thank you very much for joining. So, one thing with mutual fund is that the bank, the government, but okay, let me just say the bank, they're in charge of your money. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining. The bank, they are in charge of money. You're not giving your money to an individual. You're not giving your money to a company. You're not giving your money to anybody. You are giving your money to the bank for them to use. And then the money will yield you interest. So mutual fund is one investment that you can start as a beginner with 5,000 naira. And there are some apps that you can start with 1,000 naira. We have the Optimus, we have the the Cowrywise. But I suggest that you start with the Stanbic as a beginner. I suggest that you start with the Stanbic. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing with the Stanbic. So you can start with the Stanbic. It is like this investment, this investment is very profitable. You are getting your yield. I think the one for this year is 21%. I think so, if I'm not mistaken. And then one thing with this investment also is that every quarter you are being paid. I was paid last quarter and I decided not to withdraw it. So you can decide to withdraw your quarterly, your dividend. You can decide to reinvest it anyhow at all. So mutual fund is one investment that you can start as a beginner with 5,000 naira. Just go to the bank, you fill in the forms, you drop your IDs, you drop your everything, and then you start depositing 5,000 naira. You have already opened the account, and before you know it, that 5,000 naira every month, you can be doing 5,000 naira every month. Yes, every month you can be putting in 5,000 naira. Every month you can be putting in 5,000 naira into that your mutual fund account, instead of just leaving your money in the bank. Instead of leaving that money in the bank, transfer it from your savings to your mutual fund, and then it will be yielding good interest for you. Guys, sorry. I'm just hope I'm even. Hope you guys can hear me. Please, if you can hear me, say hi. Yes, I'm sure you can hear me. Mm. Okay. Yes. Okay. 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 Yes, so as I was saying, mutual fund is one investment that you can start with 5,000 naira. And if you're yet to start, I advise. Thank God I'm back. You guys, sorry, network. I don't know. But anyhow, let me just quickly run this thing up because I just want to spend just 15 minutes only for this live. Yeah, so I've talked about the mutual funds. You can start as a beginner with 5,000 naira. And then the next one I'll be talking about is the federal government saving bond. Now, this federal government saving bond is an investment opportunity that is open usually every month, every first week of the month. This opportunity is open for this opportunity is open for Nigerians to invest their money. Now, the one for this month, which is May, ended today. Yes, it ended today. So, I'm hopefully maybe by next month I'll be coming up here to remind you whenever the opportunity is open. I did that last month, but I didn't do it this month, so I'm sorry for that. So the one for this month May is ending today. Now, one thing about this federal government saving bond is that you are giving your money to the government for them to work and then they pay you your interest. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can also get started. You're also getting your dividend. Now, this federal government saving bond usually lasts for 2 years. Every 2 years, I think the one for this month, 2 years, 16%, then 3 years, 18% also. So if you're a beginner and then you want to start investments, low risk investment, you can start with the federal government saving bond. You're just giving your money to the federal government and then you know that, oh, my money is safe. Nothing is happening to my money. Why? Because it is the federal government that you are giving your money for them to work with. So you guys, this is an investment opportunities that you can start as a beginner. I don't want to waste time